Want to protect your heart without going on a drastic diet? Doctors say it starts with simple food swaps. Clogged arteries don't happen overnight. They build up over time from inflammation, excess cholesterol, and poor eating habits. The good news: small changes on your plate can make a big difference. Here are 6 doctor-recommended food swaps to help keep your arteries healthy. First, swap butter for olive oil. Butter is high in saturated fat, while extra virgin olive oil contains heart-healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol. Next, swap white bread for whole grains. Refined grains spike blood sugar. Whole grains like oats and whole wheat bread provide fiber that helps lower cholesterol. Swap processed meats for fatty fish. Bacon and deli meats are loaded with sodium. Salmon and sardines deliver omega-3 fatty acids that support healthier artery walls. Swap fried foods for baked or air-fried options. This cuts harmful fats while keeping meals satisfying. Swap sugary snacks for nuts and seeds. They offer healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Finally, swap excess salt for herbs and spices. Less sodium means better blood pressure control. Doctors say consistency beats perfection. Make these simple swaps over time, and you'll give your heart a stronger, healthier start this year.